Starting around the 3rd of June 2023, Cardano fundamentally is exchanging at 38 cents in term of its USD rate, with the value change of 0.12% in genuinely most recent 1 hour and in every practical sense large way. ADA truly has a by and large all-out market cap of $13,170,710,210 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $120,606,233 in an especially significant manner. This basically makes Cardano sort of positioning at 7 in the cryptographic money market, or so they really thought. In the event that you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what most certainly is the Cardano cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Cardano especially be extremely worth in 2023, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking? Is Cardano a fundamentally wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023 in a really significant manner? Will ADA cost explicitly outperform its unequaled extremely high and in every way that really matters, significant way? These in a real sense are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future in a kind of huge manner. Cardano value expectation 2023 as per the Cardano figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the ADA cost generally is supposed to sort of cross a genuinely normal value level of 47 cents. The normal by and large least value worth of Cardano toward the finish of the especially current year ought to really be 45 cents. Or so they basically thought. Besides, ADA can generally arrive at a most extreme value level of 51 cents, which by and large is genuinely huge. Cardano value expectation June 2023. The cost of Cardano by and large is explicitly anticipated to basically reach at an in every practical sense least worth of 35 cents in June 2023, or so they especially thought. The ADA cost could generally arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of 40 cents with the for the most part normal exchanging worth of 39 cents all through 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano value expectation July 2023. Cardano cost fundamentally is supposed to in a real sense reach between 39 cents to 42 cents in July 2023, while the essentially normal cost of ADA for the July fundamentally remains around 41 cents a DA value. Gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Cardano generally is estimated to basically be at around a kind of least worth of 40 cents. So in the event that you really are a crypto financial backer and considering what most certainly is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2023, what will Cardano by and large be essentially worth in 2023, which truly is genuinely critical? The Cardano value worth can arrive at a genuinely limit of 43 cents with the for the most part normal exchanging worth of 42 cents in USD, showing the way that the Cardano value worth can arrive at a really limit of 43 cents with the typical exchanging worth of 42 cents in USD in an unobtrusive way. ADA value gauge September 2023. Concerning September 2023, Cardano truly is supposed to for the most part arrive at a by and large least value worth of 41 cents, which truly is very huge. The ADA cost could generally arrive at a greatest cost of 45 cents with the by and large normal cost around 43 cents, showing how on the off chance that you essentially are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every practical sense is the Cardano cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Cardano in a real sense be somewhat worth in 2023, most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking? Cardano value estimate October 2023. In October 2023, the kind of greatest cost for Cardano could stretch around 47 cents, or so they in a real sense thought. Besides, the minimum cost of ADA in October 2023 fundamentally is 42 cents with a very normal cost of 44 cents in a significant manner. Cardano value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Cardano truly is supposed to for the most part be at around a sort of least of 43 cents, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Cardano cost can in a real sense arrive at a really limit of 49 cents with the exceptionally normal cost of 45 cents in USD in an unobtrusive way. Cardano value conjecture December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Cardano basically is supposed to for the most part be at around at least 45 cents in a significant manner. Cardano cost can explicitly arrive at a very limit of 51 cents with the really normal cost of 47 cents in USD in a very significant way. Cardano kind of past value examination in the essentially beyond 24 hours. The crypto by and large has been really diminished by 0.47% in its exceptionally current worth, which is very critical. Assuming we by and large think about the extremely current market cap of the ADA with yesterday's, you can basically see that the market cap especially is likewise down, showing that Cardano value expectation 2023 is per the Cardano conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the ADA cost basically is supposed to basically cross a sort of normal value level of 47 cents. The normal truly least value worth of Cardano toward the finish of the especially current year ought to be 45 cents, which really is genuinely huge. From especially most recent 7 days, the ADA in a real sense was in every way that really matters. Great vertical pattern and expanded by 3.99%. Or so they truly thought. Cardano sort of has shown exceptionally kind of solid essentially potential of late. And this could be especially great chance to truly dive right in and contribute, which sort of is very critical. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of ADA in a real sense diminished by 15.759%, disposing of an incredible by and large normal amount of 7 cents from its ongoing worth, or so they in every practical sense thought. This unexpected down by and large implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a very decent in a real sense purchase and open door for certainly speedy venture, showing that this abrupt down truly implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can essentially be a by and large great truly purchase and open door for sort of fast speculation, which for the most part is genuinely critical. The 90 days cost change really is near 0.61%, and the cost especially flowed from a genuinely least truly normal cost of 37 cents to kind of greatest in every practical sense. Normal cost of 39 cents in the by and large beyond 90 days, which explicitly shows that ADA has a truly complete market cap of $13,170,710,210 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $120,606,233, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. In most recent 4 months, Cardano has shown a developing pattern, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Consequently, we especially imagine that comparable pieces of the market fundamentally were very famous at that period, or so they for the most part thought. As per the fundamentally the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Cardano explicitly is expanded from 4 months in a by and large enormous manner. The exchanging volume comprises a crucial job in its cost, which truly shows that these sort of are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future in a genuinely large manner. The coin basically is up by 28.69% with the greatest genuinely normal cost of the coin in every practical sense was around 27 cents and the exceptionally least genuinely normal cost of generally was around 26 cents in kind of beyond 4 months, exhibiting that Cardano truly has shown areas of strength for commonly potential recently, and this could be great chance to truly dive right in and contribute, which is very huge. Cardano value estimate 2023 FAQs. What will in a real sense be Cardano kind of worth in 2023 and in all things considered, large way? The ADA cost generally is determined to especially arrive at a fundamentally most extreme degree of 51 cents with genuinely least cost of 45 cents toward the finish of 2023. Does Cardano especially have a future in a truly significant manner? As far as value, Cardano basically has an exceptional sort of potential to arrive at new levels in a very huge manner basically. It sort of is figure that ADA will increment in esteem. So moreover, the minimum cost of ADA in October 2023 fundamentally is 42 cents with an essentially normal cost of 44 cents, or so they most certainly thought, as per really unambiguous specialists and business examiners. Cardano can in a real sense hit unquestionably the most exorbitant cost of